Hey happy bees, it's Amanda and today we're going to make this rainbow unicorn together. So to start out, I'm going to make a fluffy cloud for our rainbow to stand on, and I've mixed some baby blue fondant with some white fondant just to give it that sky effect. And I'm just rolling my fondant into several different balls and placing them together on top of this greaseproof paper. Once you have all your balls together, cover with some more of that sky blue fondant and use your fingers to create that cloud effect on the outside. So we're going to start out by making our unicorn's legs. We're going to make the back legs first. So you need 2 equal pieces of modelling paste. I've used modelling paste to create this because it's going to be standing, and you can find links in the description below for everything that I've used so that you can create this at home as well. So you can see what I'm doing there. I've pressed down on the top side of the leg and I've flattened out the bottom, and I've used my finger in the middle to create a little indentation for the knee. And now we're going to make the front legs. They're going to be slightly different in that we're not going to press down on the top of those. And we're going to insert a cocktail stick or a barbecue skewer inside each leg and place it onto your cloud. Because this is a rainbow unicorn, we're going to give her rainbow coloured hooves, and you can see I've mixed a few different colours of balls of fondant. I've trimmed off a tiny little piece of each, I've mixed it together, and now I'm rolling it out into a strip, and you can see how nicely those colours come together, and we're just going to stick those strips on the bottom part of her legs. Make a body for your little unicorn by rolling out a piece of modelling paste into a teardrop shape, and that narrow part is going to become our unicorn's neck, so twist it up a little bit, place a cocktail stick inside the neck part and leave it overnight to dry. So it's the next morning and our unicorn is lovely and dry, and I also got my nails done, and this unicorn must have been on my mind when I picked these colours. So we're going to make our cute little face for our unicorn. As you can see, I've got an oval piece of our modelling paste and I'm just working with the bottom part of it to create a snout type shape. Use a cake decorating tool to create some eye sockets and fill in those eye sockets with some black fondant. Use some white edible paint to create some dots inside the little unicorn's eyes and some black edible paint for eyelashes. I'm going to give her some freckles using some silver edible paint, and I've used some pink dust there on her cheeks, and I decided I didn't really like the shape of her nose, so I've placed a little bit of white fondant over the top of her nose and dusting that with some pink edible dust in round the little nostrils, and I'm going to paint on a little black smile. Flatten out a little bit of modelling paste and pinch it at either side. Create a little hole in the middle and then pinch again at the bottom. That'll make lovely little ears for your unicorn. A unicorn isn't a unicorn without a horn, so we're going to create a rainbow horn for our unicorn by mixing those colours together again. Roll it into a teardrop shape and then pinch down at one side. Use a knife to create those horn indentations and place that in the centre of your little unicorn's head. Create some hair for your little unicorn by rolling out some of that coloured fondant into snake type pieces and frame those around your little unicorn's face. The idea for this little unicorn came from my niece Sophia, who's only 14 but loves cake decorating and creates some amazing stuff. Hi Sophia! And some of the best ideas come from you, the Happy Bee Cakes community, so if you have anything that you want me to create next time, leave it in the comments below. To create a tail for your little unicorn, roll out some more pieces of that coloured fondant, line them up together and curve them into a tail shape. And I've just placed it directly onto my unicorn, and I'm supporting it with some clear food wrap until it dries. Create some unicorn wings by tracing out a wing shape onto some modelling paste. Then cut around the outside and use it as a template to create another wing. And then you're going to create a couple of tiny wings as well and stick those on. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you do recreate anything of mine, let me know. I'd love to see your creations. You can tag me on Instagram at Happy Bee Cakes. Make sure you subscribe for more Happy Bee Cake creations, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!